Today, we're sharing 5 more elegant alternatives to very that will enhance your vocabulary and make your speech and writing more refined. Let's get started. Remarkably. Meaning, in an extraordinary or noteworthy manner. In a sentence, she performed remarkably well in the competition. Why it's better, it elevates the intensity of a statement while keeping it sophisticated. Extensively. Meaning, to a great or vast extent. In a sentence, he has traveled extensively across Europe. Why it's better, it adds depth and precision to descriptions of scale or range. Supremely. Meaning, to the highest or utmost degree. In a sentence, she is supremely talented in music. Why it's better, it conveys an absolute or unmatched level of intensity. Overwhelmingly. Meaning, in a way that is overpowering or immense. In a sentence, the support for the new policy was overwhelmingly positive. Why it's better, it emphasizes strong reactions or emotions more effectively than very. Exceptionally. Meaning, to an unusually high degree. In a sentence, his writing is exceptionally well crafted. Why it's better, it implies a level of excellence beyond the ordinary. Quick tip: swapping out very for more expressive words makes your language richer and more impactful.